Welcome back to another video, as we'll be visiting the new bees from yesterday that we got. We'll start with them and then we'll head back and we'll see the ducks, the quail, the chickens, the cows, and more. They're them all over there buzzing. There's the stand for them. They got jars for water. So yeah, that's all. And then over there, we got right behind the tree, or right in front of the tree, sorry, we got the dogs. Their names are Ginger and Sophie. They're both girls, which is females. So we'll go see them over there in front of the tree. I might not be uploading videos on Tuesday, by the way, because I got a game at 8, so I might upload some and I might not. But here they are. Bye-bye, dogs. And then we'll go see the chicken and quails in there. There's pigs that are supposed to be coming this week, I think. I'll update you guys on that, and then I'll do a video on it. Right there's my brother messing with the water hose. I was talking to my brother there. There's the chickens, there's the quail, and here's where the cows sleep usually. I think they're outside right now. So, yeah, we got even more chickens over here. Right there, and yeah. Mostly that's all. They go into the coop, they go lay down, and then we got another batch of chickens over here. I'll show you guys where they are. So these chickens that are out here, they got a hole right there, and that's their home. The plywood is their home. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my farm animals. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.